and we are in front of the new Globtrail 600 DS Fiat Ducato chassis from Dethleffs. And we shall be checking inside what's changed and what's not. So this has a base price of 52 with the complete price of 62,000 for this model. And they have fitted loader tires with barbette rims, but well, don't need that if you don't know. But well, it's an off-road packet that you can order if you are actually an off-roader, but this is just front-wheel drive, so don't expect anything wild. And getting inside, pretty wide entry with the fridge opening from the inside, and then we have the standard layout with the Fiat Ducato chassis and standard sitting position. This is the not so comfortable like others, but well, you can get along with that. This is storage units with head compartment, Truma Combi, not a digital one, additional Lippert control unit, and the actual Dethleffs control unit for the fridge. Then we have three pretty good cabinets for all your kitchen stuff, and standard double burner sink. On the upper part we have additional cabinets for your kitchen, and then opening up the standard, well, version, the Dethleffs, that it's also swivel, so you get a comfy shower here, no problems. Entering inside, room for the head enough. Getting out, turning this back there, well, pretty good sized sink with Dethleffs cassette toilet. Closing on, going down, two additional storage units for the bed situation, and the bed is looking pretty comfy, but I will be measuring right now the bed situation. We are measuring approximately, let's move this up so we can measure better, approximately 1.939 at widest part, approximately 1.4, so not bad. And let me just try to sit down here. Well, not the comfiest for the back passengers. And then on the back, garage space, and also retaining two big gas bottles. And if we measure to the longest part, we have 1.364, and on the widest part 0.9. There you have it, the new Dethleffs Globtrail Fiat 600 DS Active.